tips and tricks, and today I'm gonna go over, should you do at-home workouts or should you go to the gym? So before I dive into kind of explaining either one of them, what I wanna say is this, okay? Both at-home and gym workouts can produce the same results. So if your main goal is weight loss, you can lose weight with at-home workouts and with gym workouts. If your goal is to get in shape, you can get in shape with at-home workouts and with gym workouts. And if your goal is to get fit and toned, you can do that with at-home workouts, and you can also do that with the gym, okay? So both ways have the potential to get you the same results. So it is not about which way is gonna get you to your results faster. It is about which way is gonna fit into your lifestyle better. Because if it fits into your lifestyle, it's going to stick around for longer. If it doesn't fit into your lifestyle, it is only a matter of time till it gets dropped from your routine because you just can't do it and it's too much stress or too much extra work, right? So let's figure out which one is gonna be better for your current lifestyle. Now to do this, I'm gonna break it down into a pros and cons list. So let's get organized. So starting with at-home workouts, the pros of at-home workouts, okay, right off the bat, there's no commute, right? So if you hate sitting in your car, if you don't have extra time to waste traveling places, at-home workouts are for you. All you gotta do is finish your work or wake up in the morning, go to your little workout space, get it done, and you've wasted no extra time trying to get there. So no commuting is really, really awesome for that. Another pro of at-home workouts is there's really no other people around where there would be at a gym. So you're not getting the distraction of talking with other people, watching other people. People watching can be pretty hypnotizing sometimes. So you're a little bit more focused in that sense. At-home workouts are also perfect for the woman who is like back-to-back busy all day long. If you can't find an hour to yourself every day, then the gym is not for you. If you can find 20 minutes, and you just gotta go to your little exercise area, easy peasy at-home workouts are for you. If you're somebody who's literally booked like back-to-back and it stresses you out to think about making time for a workout, stick to at-home. It's gonna be the least stress option for you. Another cool thing about at-home workouts is because you're generally limited in the equipment you have, right? I mean, most people don't have a full gym set up at home. Because you're limited, you have to be a lot more creative to have more variety. So if you're really interested in getting to learn your body more and expanding your exercise repertoire and really getting to learn a lot of cool new movements, at-home workouts are really awesome for that because you gotta get creative with what you use for weights and what you use for benches and the different types of ways to stimulate your muscles without the machines and the equipment that you get from a gym. So it's really cool on that end. And then of course, lastly for a pro, it's free, right? You don't have to pay any gym memberships or anything like that. So I would say at-home workouts are really, really great if you are super busy, you do not like commuting, and you like to be a little bit more creative with your workouts. Now the cons of at-home workouts are, of course, like I mentioned before, there is limited equipment, so you do have to put a little bit more effort into being creative with what you use. Another common con that I hear from some women sometimes, and I wouldn't say that this is a deterrent from doing at-home workouts, I would just say keep this in mind, is because there's no change of scenery, right? You're kind of just moving from one room in your house to another room to do your workout because you're not actually getting up and going anywhere. Sometimes it can be a little bit harder to motivate yourself to start your workout, but when you get going, that goes away. So just keep that in mind. I don't think that's really a big con. It's just something you have to be aware of. And then the last con for at-home workouts, and this is very easily fixed, it's different kinds of distractions, right? So you're in your house, either you're halfway through your workout and you're like, oh my goodness, I have to go change the load of laundry, or to finish the dishes, or I gotta send this work email, right? That's easily fixed if you set boundaries with yourself and with the people in your house, right? You put your phone down for the 20 minutes you're gonna work out, or nobody can come down and bother you for the 20 minutes while you work out, okay? So that is your overall analysis of at-home workouts, okay? Now, let's jump into gym workouts, okay? So actually going to a physical location to work out. So right off the bat, this is awesome if you do like a change of scenery, okay? Gym workouts are great if you find that you are stir crazy, especially after all this COVID stuff. If you are stir crazy, if you're working from home and you find that you actually crave that, either that social interaction or just that change of scenery, that's a great pro for the gym. Another great pro for a gym would be the environment, okay? The music is loud, the people are working hard. That's a cool thing if you find you do need that extra kick as well. Now, cons of the gym, so cons of actually going out to a gym, of course there's money, but I mean, you can find gyms that are like $8 a month if that's really an issue. One of the bigger cons would be it can be very busy, and then when it's busy, you know, you can run into rude people or machines not being available. But on all in all, a gym is great. You can kind of turn your brain off in terms of deciding what to do, because you can just go from machine to machine. You can ask one of the trainers for a little bit of help while you're there. You can look around and see what other people are doing. So a little less effort mentally for choosing what you do with a gym. So those are the two analyses, is that a word? The two analysi, whatever it is, you get my point. Those are the kind of two descriptions for why you would choose one over the other. Both of them will get you the same results, okay? It's just which one is gonna be better for you. Are you super busy and you don't wanna commute? Stick with at home, okay? If you need a change of scenery, you're going stir crazy and you like the extra excitement in the air at a gym, go with a gym. At the end of the day, there is no right answer here, okay? I love going to a gym. I find that I work way harder at a gym than when I do my at-home workouts, so guess what? I stick to the gym. I find that a lot of women in our community love at-home workouts because they're fast and they don't wanna spend time getting somewhere, and they just wanna get it done and get back to their other responsibilities. So it's totally from person to person. I would say experiment, okay? Or you can even do a combination of both depending on how your life is set up. If you're listening to this and you've yet to be able to find a routine and stick with it long term, right? And so I would ask you the question, when's the last time you worked out 3 times a week for 1 year straight? Think about that. Not a month straight, 1 year straight, right? Very few people can say that they've ever done that, right? So if that's the case, then you've yet to find something that works for you. And it's not that you're a failure and that you suck. It's just that you have to keep experimenting and playing around with these different things till you find something that's not always easy, because you're not always gonna wanna do it, but it has to be simple and it has to fit like a puzzle piece into your life. It can't be something you're trying to push and mush into your life already, where it's adding extra stress, adding extra work, and taking time away from your day. That won't work, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, shoot me a like, turn on the notification button, and of course subscribe so you do not miss another video. I am Coach Maddie. I've lost over 70 pounds, and every single day I get to help women along their weight loss journey too. And if you are looking for extra help, an extra kick in the butt, or you are just curious about the Fit Queen way of weight loss, click the link down below in the description, and I will see you next time.